Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us. I'm Steve.
And I'm Scott.
And together we are Backyard Musings, broadcasting from Apple Valley, California, the Science and Technology Channel. Yesterday we talked about that spacecraft,
X-37B.
And this morning we're going to talk about, this morning, talk about some SpaceX launches. We want to get this to you because you can be a part of it.
Yeah, this is cool. I already sent the website to my grandkids so they can watch.
You can virtually ride along with the IM-2, NASA's Lunar Trailblazer satellite, managed by the agency's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. NASA's Intuitive Machines IM-2 mission, part of the agency's Commercial Lunar Payload Services, CLPS, initiative and Artemis campaign, is scheduled to launch no earlier than Wednesday, February 26th. That's today.
Today, yeah.
Yeah. The mission will lift off aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from Launch Complex 39 Alpha at Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Live coverage of the launch will be available on NASA Plus, with pre-launch events starting on Tuesday. That was yesterday, February 25th. Stay updated on all events at https://www.nasa.gov/live. Would you like to know more?
Following liftoff, Intuitive Machines Athena lunar lander will travel for approximately 1 week before reaching the moon. It is expected to land no earlier than Thursday, March 6th. So that would be next week, right?
Yeah.
Athena will carry...
That's quick.
Yeah. Athena will carry NASA science experiments and technology demonstrations designed to study the moon's environment and support future human exploration as part of the agency's Moon to Mars initiative. Here we go.
Didn't we report on what they were gonna? No, I think that was for a way future. Things that they were going to do.
They were coming up with a solar or the Surveyor 3 or something.
Yeah, all these different organizations, public and private.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, we went through that list, right?
Yeah, so I don't think that's this one. Among the items on Intuitive Machines lander, the IM-2 mission will be one of the first on-site demonstrations of resource use on the moon. A drill and mass spectrometer will measure the potential presence of volatiles or gases from lunar soil in Mons Mouton, a lunar plateau in the moon's south pole. In addition, a passive laser retroreflector array, LRA, on the top deck of the lander will bounce laser light back at any orbiting or incoming spacecraft to give future spacecraft a permanent reference point on the lunar surface. That's like the ILS, the initial landing system that the airplane use.
Yeah.
Here. Other technology instruments on this delivery will demonstrate a robust surface communication system and deploy a propulsive drone that can hop across the lunar surface. That's cool.
All right. Yeah, that's sounds like stuff from the past. So we had the lunar, what was that they called? The rover, I think they called it. That little car that they moved around on there. Yeah, cool. Launching as a rideshare with the IM-2 delivery, NASA's Lunar Trailblazer spacecraft also will begin its journey to lunar orbit, where it will map the distribution of the different forms of water on the moon.
That's cool.
Yeah.
If there's water there.
Yeah. Full coverage of this mission is as follows. All Eastern times, also on nasa.gov /live.
So I'll take this one. You take the next one.
Yep.
So Tuesday, which was yesterday, 11 a.m., Lunar Science and Technology Media Teleconference with the following participants: Joel Kearns, Deputy Associate Administrator for Exploration Science Mission Directorate, NASA Headquarters; Nikki Workhauser, Director, Technology Maturation Science Technology Mission Directorate, NASA Headquarters. Man, these are big words. Jackie Quinn, Polar Resources Ice Mining Experiment 1, Prime 1 Project Manager, NASA Kennedy; Daniel Kremens, LRA Deputy Principal Investigator, NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center; Bethany Eilman, Lunar Trailblazer Principal Investigator, Caltech; Trent Martin, Senior Vice President, Space Systems, Intuitive Machines; Terry Klein, President, Bell Labs Solution Research, Nokia. So they got some private endeavors and private companies in here too.
Yeah. And then, so then today, Wednesday, February 26th, again on nasa.gov/live, 11:30 a.m., Lunar Delivery Readiness Media Teleconference with the following participants: Nikki Fox, Associate Administrator, Science Mission Directorate, NASA Headquarters. Clayton Turner, Associate Administrator, Space Technology Mission Directorate, NASA Headquarters. Trent Martin, Senior Vice President, Space Systems, Intuitive Machines. William Gerstenmeyer, Vice President, Build and Flight Reliability, SpaceX.
Cool.
And Melody Lovin, Launch Weather Officer, Cape Canaveral Space Force Station's 45th Weather Squadron.
Yeah, there's a whole squadron of like weather meteorologist people. I guess the Air Force needs that when ships are going up and down.
They don't want to be flying this stuff up there and have problems. They want to be safe.
Launch coverage will begin on NASA Plus approximately 45 minutes before liftoff. A specific time will be shared the week of February 24th. Members of the public can register to attend this launch virtually. Registrants, will receive mission updates and activities by email, including curated mission resources, schedule updates, and a virtual guest passport stamp following a successful launch. So print your passport and get ready to add your stamp to that. Pretty cool.
Print your passport. That's amazing.
Yeah.
Wouldn't even thought about that.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Get your kids involved. Yeah, totally.
Yeah, or kids' school or something, just to be able to watch that. That's really cool.
All right, folks. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you this afternoon.
Take care, everyone. Thanks.